Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day today, and with obviously good price action, good solid volume. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out going into next week. The first level of support is going to be what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above 0065, that would make the chart look insanely powerful. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below that, that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. That would, again, just be the preferable situation. If the price can't hold above there, next key level of support to keep an eye on would be down there at 0055. And then the next one from there, and this is definitely more for the big picture, is going to be the purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, I realize that this purple line is down there. The price is way up there. So, yes, at this point in time, it's completely irrelevant. However, keyword there being moving average. So, as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. And again, as long as the price is above that purple line, that implies that the health of the bulls, or in other words, that the bulls are in full control. So that's really the simplistic way to look at the chart currently going forward is, again, as long as the price is above that purple line, 50-period simple moving average, bulls are owning the chart completely. At least in my opinion, that's a very easy way to measure that. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm going to change and go to a different time frame just so we don't have to scrunch up the chart too much because it's been quite a while since the price has been up this high. So there we go. So next level of resistance, kind of next key battleground to keep an eye on. I'm going to go ahead and call right up there at, what is that? 0085. So 0085, you can see some price congestion back here on the chart is definitely going to be public enemy number one going into next week. No doubt about it, though. Very, very nice day today. Great way to close out the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going into next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.